you're moving from Linux Mint to openSUSE Tumbleweed, there are a few things you need to understand right away. Mint is built to be simple, stable, and familiar. Tumbleweed is built to be current, powerful, and rolling. That does not mean Tumbleweed is unstable. It means you need to configure it the right way from the start. So here are 5 critical configuration steps I recommend after moving from Mint to Tumbleweed. Update the right way. The first thing you need to know is this. On Tumbleweed, do not treat updates like Ubuntu or Mint. Instead of using a normal update command, use sudo zypper. This stands for distribution upgrade. So each upgrade that you get from Tumbleweed is not an update, it's a distribution upgrade. It's a rolling release. It's always the distribution upgrade. Tumbleweed is rolling release, so packages are constantly moving forward as tested snapshots. Sudo zypper makes sure the system moves cleanly from one snapshot to the next. I also like to refresh the repos first, so sudo zypper refresh, then do sudo zypper. This is one of the biggest mindset changes when coming from Mint. Mint gets point updates. Tumbleweed gets full snapshot updates. Understand Snapper before you break something. This is the best reason to use openSUSE. Tumbleweed with Btrfs gives you Snapper snapshots. That means before and after major system changes, openSUSE can create snapshots that let you roll back if something goes wrong with the updates. Check your snapshots with sudo snapper list. If an update causes a problem, you can reboot, select a previous snapshot from the boot menu, and roll back to a working snapshot. That is a huge safety net for updates on Tumbleweed. Coming from Mint, this feels like cheating. Before you start installing drivers, codecs, desktop tweaks, or random packages, make sure you understand that snapshots are there to save you and your system. Add codecs and media support to Tumbleweed. Out of the box, Tumbleweed keeps things clean and legal, but that means some media codecs may not be readily available on your system after install. If you are coming from Mint, you may notice some video or audio files do not play the way you expect them to. The easy way is to use OPI. So sudo zypper install OPI. And when that's completed, type in OPI codecs. This will install the codecs the right way on your system. You can also use Pacman, but I suggest OPI as the default method. This helps install common multimedia codecs most desktop users expect to see from the get-go. Because of legal things, openSUSE or SUSE, they don't install any third-party legal codecs. They let you do that by yourself. After that, reboot and test your browser, VLC, YouTube playback, and local video files. If you use Flatpak, you don't have to do OPI codecs. It's just for the RPM install via Zypper in. For a daily desktop, this is one of the first things I would fix installing Tumbleweed. Now, configuring your firewall and services, Tumbleweed is not just a desktop system. It can also be a serious HomeLab workstation. If you are running things like SSH, Samba, Cockpit, Jellyfin, or Podman containers, make sure your firewall is configured correctly. Check the firewall status with sudo firewall command --state. List active zones, sudo firewall -cmd.get.active.zones. Now, if you have issues with a printer, change your firewall zone to home Or in my case, I just turn the firewall off because I have a full-fledged firewall at my house. For example, to allow SSH, sudo firewall-command --add service equals SSH and make it permanent by doing --permanent. Sudo firewall-command --reload to make all those changes go into effect. If you're moving from Mint, this is important because openSUSE tends to be more structured with system services and firewall zones. Do not assume your services are reachable. You need to check them. Make sure that they're working as you think they are. So learn YaST, Zypper, and systemd. This is where Tumbleweed really starts to feel different. Mint users are used to Update Manager, Driver Manager, and Ubuntu style tools. On openSUSE, you want to get comfortable with three things: YaST, Zypper, and systemd. YaST is your graphical control center that is most likely going to be going away in the future unless some people step up and update the YaST programs so that they are readily available in the future. Zypper is your package manager. Systemd manages your services. For example, to check a service, systemctl status shd, that checks sshd. To enable it at boot, sudo systemctl enable --now, sudo systemctl enable --now sshd. To search for software, Zypper search and then type in a package name. To install something, sudo Zypper install or in and the package name. Once you understand these tools, Tumbleweed becomes much easier to control. This is where openSUSE really shines. So a bonus tip, do not install random packages like you did on Ubuntu. This is a big one. Do not blindly copy Ubuntu commands from the internet. Tumbleweed is not Ubuntu. Avoid random PPAs, random .deb packages, and one-line install scripts unless you know exactly what they are doing. Use official repos first. Use Flatpak when it makes sense. Use OPI carefully. And if you are doing HomeLab work, Podman and Quadlets fit openSUSE really well. And I have a link to my Quadlets that I use, and I use them on Micro OS as my HomeLab server of choice. So moving Mint to Tumbleweed is not hard, but it is a different way of thinking. Use sudo zypperdup, understand Snapper, install your codecs, check your firewall, and learn YaST, Zypper, and systemd. Once you get those basics down, Tumbleweed becomes an amazing Linux desktop and HomeLab system. If you like this, like the video, subscribe to Gumshoe Tech, and check out the links below. Thank you for watching.